Looking to upgrade your home theater without breaking the bank? Whether you're a movie buff or a casual listener, a great AV receiver can totally transform your setup, and you don't have to spend a fortune to get one. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best budget AV receivers in 2025. These are packed with features like Dolby Atmos, 4K pass-through, and solid connectivity, all at wallet-friendly prices. With streaming, gaming, and cinematic experiences becoming more immersive than ever, having the right AV receiver is the key to unlocking powerful sound and seamless control, even on a budget. If you're ready to elevate your audio game, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around. Your perfect budget receiver might just be next on the list. Get started. Number 5. Sony STRN1000. The Sony STRN1000 is a feature-rich 7.2-channel AV receiver that delivers an immersive home theater experience with Dolby Atmos and DTS support. It boasts 100 watts per channel, ensuring powerful and dynamic sound for movies, music, and gaming. One of its standout features is 360 spatial sound mapping, which creates a wider and more engaging soundstage, making it feel as if speakers are placed all around the room. The built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Chromecast, and AirPlay 2 offer seamless connectivity, while support for 4K/120Hz and 8K pass-through makes it ideal for next-gen gaming and high-resolution content. The receiver includes 6 HDMI inputs and 2 outputs, ensuring compatibility with multiple devices. Its easy setup and calibration via Sony's Digital Cinema Auto Calibration (CAC) ensure optimized audio performance based on room acoustics. The interface is user-friendly, and the integration with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa adds convenience. However, the STRN1000 lacks preamp outputs for external amplifiers, which might be a drawback for audiophiles seeking expandable configurations. Despite this, its excellent sound quality, strong feature set, and competitive price make it a fantastic choice for home theater enthusiasts looking for a modern AV receiver. Number 4. Denon AVRX 2700H. The Denon AVRX 2700H is a well-rounded 7.2-channel AV receiver that delivers 95 watts per channel, making it a great choice for home theater setups. It supports Dolby Atmos, DTS, and 8K/60Hz pass-through, ensuring future-proof performance for high-resolution content and next-gen gaming with 4K/120Hz support. With 6 HDMI inputs and 2 outputs, it provides ample connectivity for multiple devices. The HEOS multi-room audio feature allows wireless music streaming across different rooms, and support for AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and voice assistants, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, enhances usability. The Odyssey Multiple EQ calibration system fine-tunes audio based on room acoustics, ensuring a balanced and immersive listening experience. The AVRX 2700H excels in sound quality, delivering clear dialogue, deep bass, and an expansive surround soundstage. However, it lacks Auro 3D support and preamp outputs, which may limit advanced customization. Overall, the Denon AVRX 2700H is a fantastic AV receiver for both movies and gaming, offering excellent sound, strong features, and great value for money in its price range. Number 3. Denon AVC X6800H. The Denon AVC X6800H is a high-performance 11.4-channel AV amplifier designed for home theater enthusiasts who demand top-tier audio and video quality. Packed with advanced features, this receiver delivers immersive 3D sound with support for Dolby Atmos, DTS, X Pro, Auro 3D, and IMAX Enhanced. One of its standout features is 8K support on multiple HDMI inputs, ensuring future-proof connectivity for modern home entertainment setups. The high-power output delivers clean and dynamic sound, making it ideal for both movies and music. Denon's HEOS multi-room streaming and built-in support for AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Tidal add to its versatility. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate 4K/120Hz pass-through, VRR, ALLM, and QFT, ensuring smooth, lag-free gameplay. Additionally, Odyssey Multiple EQ XT32 room correction optimizes sound based on the listening environment, while Dirac Live support, optional upgrade, provides further fine-tuning. The AVC-X6800H is built with Denon's legendary reliability and premium construction, making it a great choice for audiophiles and home cinema lovers. While its price may be on the higher side, its powerful amplification, future-ready features, and outstanding performance make it a worthwhile investment for serious home theater setups. Number 2. Denon AVR-X2800H. The Denon AVR-X2800H is a well-rounded AV receiver that offers a compelling mix of performance, features, and future-proof technology. With 7.2 channels and 95 W per channel, 8 ohms, 20 Hz to 20 kHz, 0.08% THD, 2CH driven, it delivers clear, immersive sound with ample power for most home theater setups. One of its standout features is HDMI 2.1 support, allowing 8K/60 Hz and 4K/120 Hz pass-through, making it an excellent choice for gamers and movie enthusiasts. It supports Dolby Atmos DTS X and virtual height processing, ensuring a cinematic audio experience. Additionally, Audyssey Multiple EQ XT helps optimize sound based on room acoustics. Wireless connectivity is robust, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, and HEOS multi-room streaming, allowing seamless integration with popular music services. The receiver also supports voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. While the AVR-X2800H is feature-rich, its user interface could be more intuitive. Also, audiophiles might prefer higher-end models for even better audio refinement. Overall, the Denon AVR-X2800H is an excellent mid-range AV receiver that balances modern technology with solid performance, making it a great choice for home theater enthusiasts. Number 1. Denon AVR-X4800H. The Denon AVR-X4800H is a powerful 9.4-channel AV receiver designed for serious home theater enthusiasts. Delivering 125 W per channel, 8 ohms, 20 Hz to 20 kHz, 0.05% THD, 2CH driven, it ensures dynamic and immersive sound, with support for Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, IMAX Enhanced, and Auro 3D for a truly cinematic experience. With HDMI 2.1 across multiple inputs, it supports 8K/60 Hz and 4K/120 Hz video pass-through, making it ideal for high-performance gaming and movie watching. Audyssey Multiple EQ XT32 and optional Dirac Live room correction further enhance sound precision. The AVR-X4800H excels in connectivity, featuring HEOS built-in, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and streaming support for services like Spotify, Tidal, and Amazon Music. It also integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Josh.ai for voice control. While it offers excellent performance, its large size and premium price may not suit casual users. However, for those seeking a high-end, future-proof AV receiver, the AVR-X4800H is a fantastic investment. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the top 5 best budget AV receivers of 2025 helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech Pick for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite receivers or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.